911 to Nanawaya 49. Winston County 911 to Nanawaya 49. It is with deep regret that having heard no response from Nanawaya 49, Jason, Garrard, and Garrard, we know he has responded to his last call on Earth, and that the fire department in the year after has a new responder. Firefighter Garrard served the community of Nanawaya and Winston County with heart of a public servant. We are forever grateful for his dedication and his family's sacrifices during the time that he was a firefighter. Nanawaya 49 has now become a guardian who will help watch out for all firefighters as they respond to the future emergencies. Firefighter Garrard has completed his tour as a firefighter in his life. Be safe until we meet again. Winston County 911 clear at 12:26 p.m.